You keep saying you'll start your side hustle, but months go by and nothing happens. I get it. Fear, overthinking, and confusion stop most of the people from even starting. But here's the truth. The hardest part isn't running the business. It is taking the first step. So let me show you how I finally started and what I wish I knew before launching my first business. Hi, my name is Davis. I run a pressure washing business now, but I started with nothing. No money, no experience, and no connections. And if you're in your 20s, now is the perfect time to start your side hustle. Here's what worked for me, what didn't, and how you can take action today. First, stop waiting for the perfect idea. I wasted months trying to find $1 million idea. But here's the truth. Your first idea won't be perfect, and that is okay. Focus on something simple you can start now. A skill you have, a problem you can solve, or something people already pay for. Second on the list is keep it low cost and simple. When I started, I thought I needed an office, a logo, and a website. You do not. Start lean. Use free tools. Offer your service on social media. Test the market before you spend $1. 3. Focus on solving problems, not chasing passion. I love the follow your passion advice, but your passion should also solve someone's problem. Ask yourself, what do people need that I can provide? If your side hustle helps people save time, save money, or reduce stress, you're onto something. 4. Sell first, perfect later. When I launched my first business, I spent weeks making everything look perfect. That was a big mistake. Get your first client, then improve. Money loves speed. Perfection is the enemy of progress. 5. Use your free time wisely. If you are in your 20s and working a 9 to 5, you have evenings and weekends. Turn Netflix time into build your future time. Even 1 hour a day can change your life in a year. 6. Expect failure, but keep going. My first business failed, but it taught me everything I needed for the next one. Failure isn't the end. It is the tuition you pay for success. So, if you want to finally start your side hustle, stop waiting. Start small, solve problems, sell first. Use your time wisely and never quit. Comment, I am starting today, if you're really ready to make this your year. Subscribe to the channel for more tips on building businesses, personal finance, and building a life that is worthwhile. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is today. Don't wait for perfect. Start with what you have.